we are going to find the volume of a cylinder. This one is a cylinder. This one is cylinder. R and H. This one is a cylinder. How to find? We know cylinder is made by rectangle A, B, C plus 2 circle. Rectangle is made by rectangle and 2 circles. How to find area of circle? If we make a rectangle, for example, this one is a circle. This one is a circle. This one is a circle. If we arrange them, this one is a cylinder. If we arrange them, this one is a cylinder. For example, we have a coin. For example, we have a coin. One coin, one circle. Two coin, one circle, two coin, three coin, and so on. This form a cylinder. For the volume of cylinder, we have to find. For volume of cylinder, we have to find. For volume of cylinder, we have to find volume equals to base area into height. V naught. This one is V naught. V naught. Volume of any object, the volume of any closed figure will be base area into height. Base figure is circle. Base figure is circle. Area of circle. Area of circle. Pi r square. Area of circle. Pi r square. Area pi r square into height of this circle. Let height, this one h is the height. So height h centimeter. Now area, volume of cylinder, volume equals to base area pi r square into height h. That means pi r square h. Volume, the unit of volume cube, centimeter cube. Now we can find the volume of cylinder. Base area of figure into height of cylinder will be the volume of cylinder. Base area pi r square. The base figure circle, area of circle pi r square. Height of the cylinder h. So height of cylinder h. The volume of cylinder pi r square. Base area into height pi r square h centimeter cube will be the volume of this cylinder. If the height is h centimeter. Now we are students. Now we are going to summarize today's topic. Surface area 2 pi r h. Total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume pi r square h. Now we are going to solve some questions on this formula. This one is height 5 centimeter and radius is 2 centimeter. A, B, C and D. What is volume and surface area? How can we find volume and surface area? For surface area, solution. For surface area 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h will be the surface area. Given that r equal to 2 centimeter, h equal to 5 centimeter and pi equal to 22 by 7 and pi equal to 22 by 7. Now we put at surface area equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r 2 centimeter and h 5 centimeter. Now we have multiplied it. 2 to the 4, 4 5 are 20 into 22 upon 7 centimeter cube. Now if we solve it, 22 0 22 to 44 upon 7 centimeter cube. Surface area will be this. Now we are going to find volume. Volume equal to pi r square h. Given that pi equals to 22 by 7, r equal to 2 centimeter, and height h equal to 5 centimeter. Volume equal to pi 22 by 7, r square 2 centimeter into 2. Sorry. This one is square. Area will be this square 2 centimeter, and this one is 5 centimeter. If we solve it, 2 to the 4, 4 5 are 20 into 22 equals to 40 centimeter cube upon 7. The volume will be 440 upon 7 centimeter cube. हम लोगों ने देखा किस तरह से एक सिलेंडर के एरिया, सरफेस एरिया, टोटल एरिया और उसके वॉल्यूम को कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जाता है, और मेमोरी किस तरह से ली जाती है लंबे समय तक याद करने के लिए। अब मुझे रखना ना पड़े उसको, इसलिए हमने एक थीम पेपर की हेल्प से कैसे फाइंड आउट किया उसके एरिया को, उसके वॉल्यूम को। आई होप आप लोगों को क्लास अच्छी लगी होगी। अगली क्लास में हम लोग कोन के वॉल्यूम, एरिया और सरफेस एरिया को हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस।